Hi, my name is Michael Kraft and today I'm gonna show you how you can export product data on Shopify store using the Excel-like Product Bulk Edit application. Excel-like Product Bulk Edit is a robust application with many options, and among them is an excellent export-import data tool. One of the great things about this app is that it exports what you filter in the main online view, and the filtering capabilities of this app are very powerful. Also, export will respect the current sorting set for the spreadsheet, so the task to export some set of needed data is very easy to do. All you have to do is to set the right filters, filter and then export. Also, a good thing about full export is that it is sort of a backup for your data. If you have full export, you can completely recover your catalog. Images are stored as URLs, but Shopify can return you your past or deleted images on demand. For the first go, I will not use filters, I will just export everything. Export dialog is accessed from Options, Export. Now I will show you. Options, then Export. Initially, the dialog will show us basic options. We have an option of selecting a format of data, which can be like the default view of an app called vertical, or it can be like Shopify default import-export format called horizontal. Vertical format exports row for product and below it rows for its variants. Horizontal format has only rows for variants, and product properties are contained inside variant rows. So in case we would want to export only variants, we would use horizontal format. If we would want to export only products without variants, we would use vertical format and the filter called only products. We can also select the format of the output file. It can be CSV or XLSX. XLSX is certainly a better option for a lot of data, especially if it contains HTML content fields. If we toggle advanced options, we will get a list of all available columns. We can sort their order by dragging the sort handle. We can rename their headers. Now I will show you the advanced options. Here you can rename the headers, and also you can order them by dragging the sort handle. We can also replace output text in cells by using search replace options. You might have a lot of configuration here, so there is even an option to save your configuration in order to reusing it later. Here's the option. You can write a name for your configuration and click Save. Okay, let's export. We will click Export, and in a matter of a few seconds we get our file. We see all of our data is exported. We can choose columns we want to export. For example, common file formats for shops could be just SKU and price CSV. Let's make such a file. I will choose the horizontal format, since SKUs and prices exists only for variants. I will now click Check, Uncheck to turn off all columns. I will select just SKU and price. Now I will export. Here we see our data. We see app added ID and parent ID columns since this data ultimately identifies the products and variants. We can easily remove them if we want. We will first delete parent, then ID column. For images, we can choose to export them all in a single cell or each in a separate column. Here's the separate columns checkbox. App will offer us columns for which it can export all possible images. We can choose only to export like 4 of them. Let's make one image export. I will first select vertical format. Then I will reorder some items. I will put handle under the title and the images under the handle. Now I will uncheck all, select title, handle, and only first 4 images. Title, handle, image 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's export. Here we see the result. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.